Hello everyone, we are going to make a video on how to make a simple base layer map. It's a kind of extension of previous video in which we have made how to make a simple map and we have made a map on administrative map. Now in this video I am going to show you how to make a base layer map. In this map we are going to add 2 to 3 more layers, just like rail, road and drainage, canal. So let's start. First we are going to add the data. So click on the add button, go to your folder where all the shapefiles or vectors are available. First we select our study area. Here Rajasthan boundary is our study area. Select the Rajasthan boundary and click on add button. This is our study area. It shows in the interface of Arc Gis. Here we are working on the right now in the data view, and later we switch on the layout view for the finalize of map. Then just we have to change the property of that study area. So just double click on that polygon and make it hollow. Increase your width line and click on OK, just like the same as the previous videos. If you have not seen my previous video how to make a simple map, then it's a kindly request that you first see that video. Now that is very helpful for you for the upcoming videos. Now click on the OK add button, and now we select our district boundary. Just click on the district boundary, click on add. Here are the district boundary, and now third one is the state headquarter. State headquarter. Here is the state headquarter. Now we have to show district headquarters. Then click on the district headquarters. You can select all layer one by one first, and later we change the symbology according to our desire. Then click on this is a base layer map. So in the base layer map 2 to 3 main layers are common, just like rail, road, canal, drainage, settlement point and settlement headquarters. So here we select only canal, road, rail and road. Later we will change all the symbology. First we will unselect all of them, and now we are going to change the symbology. So here is the district boundary. So we have to show the district boundary. We have to make the hollow it and change the color. Okay, we can increase the outer boundary just like that. Boundary. Now the road. You can arrange it. Just this is the canal. You can change the color, canal color. We can select that one also and change the color. You can change all the symbology. Then rail, simply change the color of rail. Okay. And third is road. We can change the symbology of road because there are 2 to 3 categories of roads, just like metallic road, non-metallic road, and Kacha road, Pakka road, national highway. Then you can go to the symbology tab, categories, select the road type. Here is the road type, subtype, add all values. These are the number of types of roads. If you want to arrange it in some less group, then you can select all of them and make it group. Just I'm going to group them. Just cart track, footpath, gravel road, select all them, right click and group values, then unmetal road, pack road, and many more other things. And if you want to remove all these and we want to add only the major roads, just like major road, state highway, national highway, then you can remove all the values just like one by one. Metal road, national highway. We are going to present here only three types of road: national highway, major district road, and state highway. So I am going to remove all these remaining roads because it makes clumsy, because I am going to show you only for as presentation map. If you want to big map just like A4, A0 size or A1 size, then you will go to show all these roads as non-metallic and really many unmetal road. But here I am going to show you only how to make a map. That's why I am going to show you only three major types of roads. Just change the symbology. We can change the symbology of the railroad. Okay. It comes. Here all the layers are coming. Here all the layers are coming one by one. If your machine is good and it processes fast, then it comes fast. It's all depend on the machine. Yes, this is the all layers, and state headquarter is not required, so we will take only district headquarter. You can change it. Okay. You can show the label of district headquarters. It's just coming there. And if you want to decrease the size, then go to the property in label tab and just decrease the font size. Okay, because we are going to make a simple map, that's why just refresh it. Yes, now we switch to layout view. It's a layout view. In this layout view, you have to decide the page size first, which you want to print. First, drag the extent, and in the file, page and print setup, select the size. I'm going to select A3 size. My print size is also same the map size, that's why it's remains same. And landscape as a view, portrait view. Okay, just change the extent and just like that, zoom it, or we can change from here also scale 30 lakhs. More 0 is required. Yes, this is 30. And so save the mxe file. I have saved previously, so I can replace it. You will give your required name, and now it's a insert text. It's a base layer map. Base map. Maybe base map. Sorry. Here's the base map. Rajasthan. Rajasthan district. India. Change the font size and color. Okay. We can reduce size 26, 28, and the color is blue. Okay. Yes, that's look good. Then north size, north arrow, set north arrow. Insert again simple text box for credits. Submitted by it is submitted by Robin Sharma, ROBINSHARMA. You can add according to your desire. If you want to show your designation and many more things, office name, then you can type it here, and I am happy with that. Then 20, okay, apply, okay. Now the legend. First click all these buttons, switch on these layers, road, rail, canal. My machine is pretty slow, that's why it takes time. Yes, now insert legend. You can increase number of column from here, just like in previous video, but if it's sufficient, I think 1 column is sufficient. 1.5. You can change the drop shadow background from here. Next, and finish. Okay, it looks nice. And file, save. Here is the final map of base layer map. These are the legends. This is district headquarter. This is major district road, national highway, state highway, rail, canal, district boundary, Rajasthan boundary. These all are the layers. File, save it. And now the final thing, export it. Then file, export map. If you want to JPG, then select the JPG. I am going for PDF. Yes. And base layer map, save. It takes a little bit time to draw all the roads As usual, there are number of layers, it takes a little bit much more time. If your number of layers are low, then it takes low time. According to this, you can map all your desired, all the big maps, all the small maps. This is the same process from we can add multiple layers and make so many types of them. This export is completed. Now we can check the how our output it is. Yes, this is base layer map. Just click on it. Yes, it looks nice. And if you want to change the color of your district, then you can change the symbology just like the previous one. Then hope you will like my video, and it's very helpful for you, for all the beginners, students of GIS and remote sensing, which want to know how to make a map in ArcGIS. So keep like my video and share it. Thank you very much.